Good morning, Goshen, Indiana.
I was going to say Vietnam.
We came from Georgetown, Kentucky, and we are in Goshen, Indiana. Indiana, you need to fix your roads. Holy man, that was not fun. So anyway, we're at the Elkhart County Fairgrounds, and Lippert was here yesterday doing their volunteer days, so I saw a white truck, and I thought, geez, I just wonder if
They
that's...
said, no, it's not him.
Yeah, it's not him. Corey and Jess and the girls, Layla and Lily from Finding Our Sunday, one of our favorite RV channels that we watch every Sunday. So yes, Corey was walking across the parking lot and we yelled to him. So we got to talk to them, which was really cool. They told us some interesting information, which I'm not going to pass along because I don't know if they've shared it with their YouTube channel yet. So we'll hold that. Guess what today is?
Friday.
And what do we do today?
We're going to Brinkley.
We're going to Brinkley today. We're going to see our rig. I have to admit, I snuck over there last night. Holy cow, is there the road construction around Goshen. Every road you go down has detours. So anyway, I got over there, and I feel kind of bad for them because the employees have to go through all that to get to work. But the building is just beautiful. And I got to see two Z's leaving with the transporters when I pulled in. I did not go all the way in. I didn't want to impose or trespass or anything, so I just pulled in the initial driveway and didn't go any further. So I have to say that when you see those Z's being pulled down the road, there's something about them. They look amazing. So for you people who are asking for full body paint, don't do it because they look really, really cool just as they are. Our appointment today is at 1 o'clock. We will not probably be able to film in there because they have proprietary things that they don't want to share. So we'll find out. I mean, I'm sure we'll be able to take pictures. They'll take pictures, whatever. We'll share with you what we can, but we're really, really excited. So it's raining outside right now. It was in the 80s yesterday, and today it's in the 40s this morning. It's really chilly.
Highs in the 60s.
Yeah, so unfortunately, on our way home, it's going to be snowy and yucky and ugh.
Beautiful.
No. So anyway, we'll check in with you guys later. Stay tuned because we're going to show you some good stuff. And I'm Lori.
I'm Rocky.
And we're While We Still Can. Do it while you still can.